You'll receive the shift lever, the steel arm, and the linkage that will end up connecting both of those together. You'll need a pair of safety goggles for this, 14mm ratcheting wrench, 1/2 inch ratcheting wrench, another 1/2 inch ratcheting wrench, and a 7/16 ratcheting wrench. Step 1 is getting rid of that old clunky linkage. Once you've removed the linkage, the next step is to put your transfer case in two-wheel drive, which should be all the way forward for new process 242. Next step is to remove the stock shift lever on the transfer case with a 14mm ratcheting wrench and install the new shift lever. To install the steel arm, you need to first remove the actual ZJ shift arm, and on your workbench attach the steel plate to that arm to find out where you want to drill the hole at the top portion of the arm to match up so that it won't interfere with shift movement along the plane. After adjustment, place shift linkage into place, and then verify two-wheel drive inside the cab before tightening down the rest of your lock nuts. Use your 7/16 open end to hold the ball joint in place while you tighten down the lock nut with the 1/2 inch ratcheting wrench.